supposed to be, right, so he's pulling us backwards there. He's going that way.
Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Dartmouth Steam Railway. This is the 11:45 service through to Paignton, calling at Paignton only. Before departure, could all passengers please check that you're sat in the correct coach and seat numbers for this service. Your seat allocations can be found on your tickets.
Yeah. He's
All
a
passengers
driver.
please have their tickets out ready for inspection. Thank you.
He's a
The
fireman.
locomotive calling our service this morning is a 262 small trail tank locomotive, number 4555, which was built by the Great Western Railway at Swindon in 1924.
Ooh.
Just pausing here, below the barriers at the Sands Road at level crossing. This is not a station stop. Any passengers with onward travel connections by train or bus will need to leave our station via the forecourt, turn left over the level crossing and turn left again. You can use the main line railway station on your left and the bus station on your right. This train will be returning to Kingswear, departing at Paignton at 12:25. Here at Paignton Station, you'll find the Head of Steam Cafe and Whistle Gift Shop, where they'll be happy to serve you with alcohol, drinks, snacks, and a wide range of gifts and souvenirs. We'd like to thank you all for travelling with us on the Dartmouth Steam Railway this morning, and we hope you enjoy or judger. We're now adding